Hello, you lovely people. I'm so glad that you've come by to check out my YouTube channel. I talk about Formula One, and my goal is to get enough subscribers one day so that I can have a silver play button, and I do actually spend a lot of time and effort to create these videos for you. Formula One is what I love, and therefore I would really love it if you wouldn't mind clicking the subscribe button. If you fancy supporting me in a more personal level, then I would encourage you to check out the video description for more details on how to do that. Happy watching, and also please share this channel with all your friends and mates, so that we can make this channel grow and spread the love of Formula One. Happy watching, guys.